Preparing for the civil services examination is not just a test of intellect, but also of endurance, emotional strength, and motivation. Even the most determined aspirants experience mental fatigue and boredom during the long months, sometimes years, of preparation. But what sets the toppers apart is how they respond to these inevitable lows. Here are 10 powerful strategies you can use, each inspired by UPSC toppers, to stay mentally strong and beat boredom. 1. Embrace the power of short breaks. Many toppers, including Tina Dabi, AIR1, 2015, maintained strict study schedules but never ignored the importance of short breaks to stay fresh and avoid burnout. You can use the Pomodoro technique, study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Do something non-academic like stretching or listening to soft music. Tina Dabi used to water plants or play light music during breaks to reset her mind without guilt. 2. Change the study method or subject. Anudeep Durishetty, AIR1, 2017, frequently switched between subjects and formats, answer writing, note-making, and videos, to fight monotony. You can alternate between subjects and switch formats. Use visual tools like flowcharts and maps. Anudeep used color-coded notes and mind maps to make dry subjects interesting. 3. Add physical activity to your day. Kanishk Kataria, AIR1, 2018, included walks and light workouts daily to keep his energy and focus intact. What you can do is walk, do yoga, or light cardio for 20 to 30 minutes. Movement refreshes your mind. Kanishk took short evening walks with his favorite playlist, helping him relax and reflect. 4. Use mindful relaxation techniques. Roman Saini, cleared UPSC at age 22, in 2013, practiced meditation to improve focus and emotional clarity. You can start your day with 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing, mindfulness, or guided meditation. Roman recommends meditation to stay calm during high-pressure revision periods. 5. Keep motivation visible. Srishti Deshmukh, AIR5, 2018, kept quotes and goals pinned to her wall to stay inspired through tough days. What you can do is write down your why and keep it visible. Watch topper talks and read success stories. Srishti had a quote above her desk: "If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit." 6. Talk to someone. Gaurav Agrawal, AIR1, 2013, often discussed topics with peers or mentors to break mental blocks and reduce stress. What you can do is share your thoughts with a trusted friend or mentor when you feel drained or overwhelmed. Gaurav says conversations with peers often lead to new insights and emotional relief. 7. Reward yourself for small wins. Athar Amir Khan, AIR2, 2015, used a simple reward system, like good food or cricket breaks, for completing weekly targets. What you can do is break your big goals into small tasks and reward yourself after each milestone. Athar says these small rewards made long preparation months feel achievable and fun. 8. Study in different environments. Anudeep Durishetty, AIR1, 2017, occasionally studied in parks or cafes to avoid stagnation. What you can do is change your study setting once in a while: library, terrace, or a quiet cafe. Even a new location once a week can refresh your brain and break the boredom cycle. 9. Use active recall and self-quizzing. Vishal Narwade, AIR84, 2019, used techniques like the Feynman method and regular self-quizzing to stay mentally engaged. Don't just read, recall, write, and test yourself. Teach the topic out loud to yourself. Vishal believes teaching a topic as if explaining to a child is the best test of real understanding. 10. Keep a journal or tracker. Srishti Deshmukh, AIR5, 2018, maintained a planner to track her daily goals and emotional states. What you can do is track your progress and mood. Identify your most productive hours and weak spots. Srishti's handwritten planner helped her stay focused and reflect during low phases. Conclusion. Don't let tiredness be a roadblock. Mental fatigue and boredom are signs that your brain is asking for care, not that you're weak. Toppers didn't avoid these moments, they managed them with awareness and smart action. Add variety to your routine, stay connected to your motivation, and take care of your physical and mental health. UPSC preparation is not just about hard work, it's about smart recovery. Rest well, rise again, and keep going. Your dream is still within reach. Subscribe to our channel now and supercharge your preparation. Get access to powerful strategies, expert tips, and exclusive free resources designed to give you an unbeatable edge. Quality content. Smart preparation. Real results. Don't miss the free gifts. Hit that subscribe button now.